Welcome students to BSL Bite Size Learning. Today we are going to discuss another basic topic which is angle in geometry. Okay? What is an angle? So you have two lines, right, joining the vertex. So this is called the vertex. This is called the vertex and these are called the arms, right? So you have a vertex, two arms connecting through the vertex, and there is a space between these two arms is called the angle, right? And to measure the angle, the unit to measure an angle is degree, right? So now how do you measure an angle, right? There's a specific device, right? This is called a geometry box, right? And there's a specific scale that is used to measure an angle, that is called a protractor, right? So how do you measure an angle? You need to use the protractor, put it, align your the vertex of the angle to the center of that protractor, keep it here, and then you align the straight line, the bottom line, with the line aligning the zero, and they start counting. So it starts with 0, then 1 2 3, and then 10 20 30 40 50, like that. So if I can see this angle is around 55 degrees, right? That's how you measure an angle. So the measure of this angle is 55 degrees. Thank you.